this one.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Like the creaking.
Oh, that's
Like
good.
that.
This week we wanted to show a little bit more of the process involved in the field recording and sampling sides of the residency.
That's cool.
That's really cool.
Because we should chop that one up a
Yeah.
bit further. Oh, they're the seats.
Oh, God, it sounds like
That's cool.
it sounds like tennis.
We've always known that we wanted the field recordings to be a core element in the music. The question has been, how do we actually engage with these recordings, and what might be an interesting way to integrate them into the compositions?
That's really cool. I really like that.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard seats sound like this?
We've been assembling a catalogue of sounds captured in different settings. For example, in Dunleary Harbour, Cabinteely Park, Mary has recorded some of her trips out on the Dart. These recordings, in some cases, have actually informed the concept or structure of a particular piece of music.
Nice.
Oh, that's nice. Totally make a thing out of that.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, that's lovely.
One of the pieces, for example, as an experiment, we decided to use sounds that were recorded from objects or textures found solely from within the lexicon studio itself.
We are going to do a soundwalk workshop with some students in the area, and we're going to encourage everybody to use the microphones on their phones, which are actually pretty good quality to do a soundwalk, and just really listen as you're walking, and then go back home and recreate the walk yourself by re-listening to it and pick out some sounds that you found that you might not have heard on a regular walk if you weren't completely focused on the sounds. We'd be really interested to see what people come up with, and hopefully we can amalgamate sounds that we all collect and put them into a piece of work for one of our final concerts. We're really looking forward to seeing what happens.